Hello kids, welcome back. Colors: black color, yellow color, violet color, green color, orange color and pink color. Kids, हम ट्रेस करेंगे A, B, C, D. Let's trace. A for apple. B for ball. C for cat. D for dog. Black color. A. B. C. D. Blue color. A for alligator. B for ball. C for cat. D for dog. Yellow color. A. B. C. D. Brown color. A for ant. B for butterfly. C for car. D for dolphin. A. B. C. D. A for apple. A for alligator. A for ant. B for ball. B for bat. B for balloon. C for cat. C for car. C for cap. D for doll. D for dolphin. D for duck. Thanks for watching.